Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Hot Cocoa Bombs. My name is Miss Lorena and I'm going to show you what you will be getting from the library and what you will need from home to make these. Alright, so what you'll be getting from the library is a pack of hot chocolate mix. You'll be getting some mini marshmallows and some chocolate chips for you to melt, and then a silicone mold so you can make your cocoa bomb. So you'll be putting this in the freezer. And then what you'll need from home is a spoon to mix your chocolate chips, and then a microwavable bowl as well for the chocolate chips. And then you'll also need a microwave to use for those. All right, so I'm just going to let you know to microwave your chocolate chips in the microwave. I'd say 5 seconds at a time, because there's really not that many chocolate chips that you'll be needing for your mold here to make one full cocoa bomb. And you should definitely wash your hands before and wash your mold before. Just make sure everything is clean before you start cooking any food. So then I will show you the finished melted chocolate chips. All right, so here's my chocolate. As you can see, there's just a little bit in there, just enough to make one. So what you want to do is just make sure it's all melted. It did take quite a bit, actually, longer than I thought it would, to melt the chocolate. So if you want to do it like 10 seconds at a time, that is fine. So you just want to take your spoon and then make sure that you're getting it all over the mold. You want to place it in there and then smear it all along and make sure it sticks to your mold. And then you want to freeze it so that you can place your hot cocoa and marshmallows inside of it. So, okay, so there's one, and then I'm just going to do the other one since it's here. And again, you want to spread it all over. Make sure that you get it evenly inside your mold. So this is about 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Just so you know, if you want to make more, it's 2 tablespoons to make 1 whole cocoa bomb, but in 2 of these molds. All right, so there's my chocolate, and then I'm going to let this freeze. I'd say probably an hour or 2, however long you want to put it in for and you think it's ready to come out. It is a thin layer, so it won't need too long, but just long enough so you can pop it out of the mold. And I'll show you what that looks like when these are frozen. All right, so I did let my chocolate freeze for about an hour. It's up to you however long you want to keep it in there for. And then now you just have to be really careful taking it out of the mold, and I suggest kind of pulling at the mold first to kind of loosen it up. So mine just kind of cracked a little, but that's okay. It's gonna happen. So then pull away from it, and then you want to just kind of like carefully pop it out of the mold. So there's one there, and try not to touch it too much. Don't like pick it up. Your hands are warm, so it'll melt the chocolate. All right, so you can just pop those right out, which is pretty nice. And then you want to actually use your hot chocolate pack here, and you want to pour some of this in there. So I'm going to go pretty high up, I think. So, almost to the top, I think, because the other side will cover it. And then you'll take some of the marshmallows that we give you and place them inside. All right, and then I do have a plate here, as you can see, and I put this in the microwave for about a minute, and that was just, you take one side of your bomb, and it melts the chocolate, as you can see. You just want to melt it, and then it's already kind of melting in my hand, so you do have to be careful. And then you just place it together, and then make sure that they melt together. And there is your hot chocolate bomb. So I hope that you had fun making this, and then that you enjoy it as a hot chocolate.